I suppose it's because primary immunodeficiencies are really, most of them are congenital molecular defects, but it's just in different arms of the immune system that there are problems. But anyway, coming back to the next bit is the allergy. And we always talk about prevention. I'm always preaching about that for the last couple of years. And has there been any studies, especially in pregnant women who are allergic themselves, meaning that the children will be at a higher risk of allergy? We always hear about things like the probiotics and the prebiotics, isn't it? And here I'm interested to know whether there are any studies, and whether has there been anything to look into the regulatory T cells, which is the sort of buzzword in the prevention of allergy, meaning that if you were to give pregnant women who are allergic, then the chances of allergy in their offsprings are going to be much less. Is there any experience with Strath?
No, there is no experience with Strath on that. We have experience with Strath on high fever in Switzerland. Many people suffer high fever allergy. And there we get very good response that they say steadily, mainly on children, when they regularly take Strath. It is not from one year to the other that it's out, but it's a better supported. This we have. And what we secondly have is, you mentioned probiotic and prebiotic, and Strath itself, the Strath yeast, is a prebiotic. Because the herbal yeast, the cell, I showed you, the cell cannot be digested, but the cellular membrane we leave in the product, we do not take it out in the tablets and the liquid, we just break it. And the cellular membrane is rich in polysaccharides from the type of glucan and mannan. And glucan and mannan, beta-glucan, are known to support the healthy microorganisms in the intestines, in the gut. And so we have a prebiotic with Strath. We do not supply living healthy organisms. This would be a probiotic, like a yogurt or something like this. But the Strath is a prebiotic. And from this side, this would be very interesting to study more in this direction. Because we know that the gut is the highest immune barrier we have in our body. And when we could do more studies with this pathway and all this would be very much of interest. When I'm retired, maybe I have time.
Yes, that's right.